Right, I'm just preheating the bottom of my furnace because I've relined it with refractory cement. So, and here is the mould here. I'm just going to set it up. I'm just going to keep it out of the rain. That's the entry, that's the vent. So we're going to put some bronze. I'm going to put some bronze in here. That red hot, put that over there. Alright, I'm going to turn this off and get it ready. Okay, here we go. Bronze anvil. Oh god. Put some in there. And I hope it's enough in there. I don't use anyway, so. Oh, fuck. So we're just going to put it straight in the bucket. Straight in the bucket. Sorry for mucking around here with the. Did it work out? God, look at that, guys. Little bronze anvil. Actually, it looks pretty good. So I'm just going to get some fresh, clean water. Out of a bit of a muck up. Looks like it didn't quite do it at the top. We'll have to grind the top there a little bit more. Right, so now, get that to the bucket, and now we're going to get sand around sand up. Alright, I'm going to disperse this a bit noisy. Alright, so we're going to take this over to the belt center now and try and get this nice and flat and true. Try and get rid of those marks. There we go. Alright, I've done it with the 2000 and look what it does. It just really brings it up. Like it's scratch free. So we're going to get the buffer out now. And I've only got that one little nick there, but that's about it. The whole thing looks bloody good. So we're going to get the buffer out now and look at that, guys. There's the end result. You can see the sky in it. Alright, let's go take it inside and weigh it. Look at that. Alright, there you go. You can see it pretty good now. It's all nice and polished. So it's hard to believe that bit of wood, we did sand casting of that and turned it into this. Alright, so we'll weigh it now. $16.42, that's what it is. $16.40. So that's 1.6 kilos. Yeah, that's better. $9.93 as a kilo. That's supposed to be a kilo, so it should be right. So that's more or less a kilo, $9.94, and that's 1.64. So there you go. Very nice bronze anvil. Anyway, guys, hope you like that. That's another sand casting. This is one I've always wanted to do for a long time, so anyway, there is my anvil, and there's the wooden plug that I made it from. And it's quite heavy, eh?